If you're getting the frustrating, Steam must be running error, even while Steam is clearly open, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it. This usually happens when the game and Steam have lost their connection in the background, so we're going to force that handshake to reconnect properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, we'll do a clean restart of Steam. And this is important because clicking the X in the top corner does not fully close Steam. Steam often keeps background processes running, and those can cause this error to stick around. So click Steam in the top left corner and choose Exit. After that, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. Now look through the Processes tab and find anything related to Steam, including Steam, Steam Web Helper, or even the game you are trying to launch. If you see any of those still running, right-click them and choose End Task. You want to make sure every Steam-related process is fully closed before reopening it. Once everything is shut down, right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Running Steam as an administrator gives it the permissions and priority it may need to communicate properly with the game. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the Steam must be running error. If the problem is still happening, the next thing to do is verify the integrity of your game files. This is especially useful if the error only happens with one specific game. Sometimes a file like Steam_API64.dll is missing, damaged, or blocked by antivirus software, and that stops the game from recognizing Steam correctly. To do this, open your Steam library, right-click the game that's giving you trouble and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation, compare it against the official version, and automatically re-download anything that's broken or missing. This is a very common fix, and it often solves launch issues without you needing to reinstall the entire game. If you've tried that and you're still getting the same error, the next step is to repair the Steam service itself. This is a deeper fix for when the Windows service Steam relies on gets stuck or stops working correctly in the background. To do this, close Steam completely again if it's open. Then press Windows key plus R to open the run box. In the field, type the repair command exactly like this. C:/program files x86/steam/bin/steamservice.exe/repair. If your Steam folder is installed somewhere else, you'll need to change the path to match your setup. After you press enter, a black command window may flash briefly on the screen. That's normal. Once it disappears, restart Steam and try launching your game again. In most cases, one of these three methods will solve the issue and get your game working normally again. So to recap, first do a full clean restart, then verify your game files, and finally repair the Steam service if needed. If you want more easy gaming fixes like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.